Samantha, what are you doing?
I think there's like, oh, I did.
Are you going to throw some rocks? Do you want to go get in the water? Are you going to go get in the water? He's just going to play with rocks?
Mommy, a little.
A little rock, that's right.
Mommy kissed it.
Here, Mommy will throw it. Where are you going? Are you going to get wet? Are we going to go find an old Spinosaurus? Are we going to go fishing?